So I finished watching Diablero last night, and I'm loving this mold, by the way. It's just like super easy to pop this out. I decided, like I told you guys last night, to use the tall and skinny for the first time. And this one is from Nurture. This is good. I like this. Nice and glossy. And you can see the colors. And the scent came through. So I'm happy about that, because it was smelling like a perm, or like ammonia, if you will. But anyway, so I didn't tell you that they lost somebody. One of the main characters, her son, was like snatched, and his name was Mayaken. And they're still looking for him, but the cliffhanger for the ending of the show last night, everybody knows where Mayaken is. And I cannot wait until next season to watch this. I wish I spoke Spanish, because I really would try and find where their what channel that comes on, or whatever, because reading subtitles and then trying to watch a show at the same time is a pain in the butt. But it is what it is. So we're gonna line this up and cut off our little slither. Oh, that's gorge. Even though the purple turned gray. But hopefully with saponification, it'll get a little bit darker. But this is how it looks like on the inside. Obviously, each bar is going to be different. So the priest, he found his daughter. Well, they found his daughter, because everybody contributed, obviously. And the only way, they were like bringing this big demon in the world. Her and a couple of other kids that were basically possessed. And the only way to get rid of the demon was for like an angel to come. And the girl's father, he tried to commit suicide. And it's this big, long story. So at any rate, the angel came, or sent a feather to, oh, this soap is brick hard. It sent a feather to help save them from the demon that was coming to bring the end of the world. So, like I said, it's a pretty good show. If you're into like supernatural things, I suggest you watch it. The world, even if you're not, it's still a good program. I'm so happy that Forever Red came through, because I was going to be so mad if it didn't smell like it, like the scent. And it was still smelling like a perm. And it was only 8 episodes this season. I guess Netflix didn't know like how people were going to react to it, maybe. Or maybe it was just 8 episodes and this is like the first season ever on whatever. Was it a Netflix original? I don't know. I have to go back and look. But it's still worth a watch. Alrighty, so I'm going to shut up now and let you guys watch me cut. There you have it, folks. Another fine creation from BodyGarbage. If you like this video, please do give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. If you like to purchase anything that's available in my Etsy, please follow the link down below. As always, be well and stay blessed. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye for now.